Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, yeah, 8 hours, moving average crossover here, but we are grouped to the downside again on the oscillators, and then we do have a very strong zone of support here. It's going to go back to the weekly because this is kind of what we're looking at. You can see how we've tested there, and further back we've tested this area quite often. It's 107967 or 108 is kind of the zone that we are just moving up above and below. We're still stuck in amongst moving averages here, so there's nothing really on the weekly to indicate that we have a trend forming. This could be another leg down, but from a weekly perspective, we'd want to see a move below 106938 before I'd even consider this a lower high and a continuation down. For me at the moment, this is a triangle. So we have bottom end of the triangle and top end of the triangle there. So it's really just a consolidation phase. It's confusion, to be quite honest, because we're not really sure what's going on. So from the US side, we get US data and US noise, and then the dollar weakens, and then we get European data and European noise, and then the dollar strengthens. So that's kind of the big up and big down at the moment. If we just drop down to the 3 hour, we also have a crossover of the moving averages here. So what you should be looking for is actually shorts, to be honest, and I just want to get another zone in here. It's going to be quite a wide zone, but this is 108356, and then we have 108652. That's the zone we should be looking at, and that should be for shorts. So you can see we didn't really test this area on Friday, so it was big up, big down. There's the high of Friday, broke through the zone, and then, or broke through the levels, tested the top end, and then continues to the downside. So this is kind of my view for this today. And I'm just coming down to the 15-minute because you're going to have another little area to pay attention to. Okay, so you've got to watch out for this level of support here at 107967. So I definitely don't want to be jumping in down there, but we would be looking at 108356 for a shorting opportunity, and you can bring it down a little bit as well onto 108315. This area here at 108119 and 108088, all rounded off to 108100, that looks like it was an area of support. We broke through quite late in the session on Friday, and then we've come back. So if we reclaim this, there could be a situation of it coming back up and forming a inverse head and shoulders. This would be your left shoulder, here would be your head, and here would be your right shoulder forming. So I'm very cautious. I don't think I want to be jumping in short on a break of this zone because you've got this support here. So I'd want to see if you break the support and come back and test it. That's at 107967. That would give me the comfort of a short. Alternatively, I'll be waiting to see, what forms here. If it break and retest of 108315, so break the upside, come back and test this, then I'd definitely be looking for an opportunity to go long, and you'd be looking for this zone here at 108561 and 108652. That's a zone that you'll be looking for basically taking profit. If we reject that, then there's probably an opportunity for a short there. Just keep in the back of your mind that the higher time frames, we're very much in a downtrend, so you should be looking for opportunities to short. Problem that you have on the 50-minute right now is it is a bit chaotic, and you've also got this that's going parabolic on the downside, but if you start making higher highs, then you definitely would be moving back up to this area. But nevertheless, that's kind of what we're looking for, and I just want to adjust this. This would still be an area to short 108,370, and that's on the 1 hour. But then I'd be looking to take profit roughly where we are at the moment. So pay close attention to the 15-minute. That's going to help you. You can see this would still be in a downward trend, 108,370. So that's the shorting area. I'll pay very close attention. I wouldn't be wanting to take any trades here. Not a long or not a short, nothing. Just sit and wait and see what happens higher up. If you reject that, then you're looking for another leg down. That's kind of my view at the moment. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.